Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a really easy one of my favourites, prawns in XO sauce. Yep, that classic modern Cantonese Chinese type dish. Alright, we're going to need some prawns. I've got around about 300 grams worth of prawn meat there. So you buy 600 grams of prawns, clean them yourself, or just buy 300 grams worth of prawns, about a tablespoon's worth of Zhaojing wine, Chinese rice wine, and about half a tablespoon's worth of Golden Mountain seasoning. You can get that from selected Asian stores. It is getting a little bit easier to find. If you can't get that, you can use the Maggi seasoning. Alright, a little dash of white pepper, and I'm going to marinate those prawns off for about 20 minutes, maybe half an hour or so. Right, pretty simple, and they will soak up that flavour very quickly, so we don't need to marinate those for hours and hours. Alright, little bit of peanut oil in a wok, good handfuls worth of snow peas which I've topped, tailed and stringed, and I'm putting these in first. I just want a little bit of char on those, and get that flavour happening into the peas straight away without overdoing the prawns, which can happen quite easily. So let's give those a little bit of a stir around in the wok from time to time. We don't need to mess with the flavour of the peas. They've got just a beautiful crunch and everything else as they are. As you can see, we've got a little bit of wakame happening to them. We've got a little bit of brownage happening and a little bit of toastage, and some of them might split open. Don't worry, just keep cooking those through. Here I've got an onion which I've quarter cut. I've just given those a really nice slice. You might need a touch more oil. I'm just using a bit of vegetable oil there just to top that lubrication up, and we're just going to stir those through until they go a little bit translucent. We get a little bit of colour on there as well. It's not going to take very long, only a couple of minutes or so. Alright, and once those are done, I'm going to pretty much take those out because I don't want them to once again cook too much further, and I want to keep the wok heat happening for the rest of this particular dish. Alright, so let's put that again straight into a bowl. Here I've got some shiitake mushrooms. I have actually today bought the canned variety. I've drained and rinsed those and quartered those into nice little manageable pieces. Alright, so they're pretty much ready to go as they are, but we just want to dry these out just a little bit and just get a little bit of heat and colour onto those. Alright, once they're done, we can take those out. They're only going to take a couple of minutes or so, and as you can see, our wok is drying out quite quickly as we go through every single ingredient. Alright, a little bit more lubrication, a little bit more vegetable oil, they can go in just like that. And here we've got our 300 grams, 200 grams worth of prawns in our marinade. I'm going to put that through and give all of this a quick little bit of a stir. Alright, not going to take very long at all. All we have to really do is wait for these things to sort of change colour. Because we've deveined them, of course, we've cut down the back and taken out the poop sack, they're going to curl up a little bit as well, and they'll sort of look a little bit prettier, and they look a little bit larger than what they normally would. I'm going to add in about 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Right, that can go straight in just like that, and already we've got an improvement of flavour happening in the KP's kitchen. Right. So I'm going to start adding everything else straight back in. Our onion and our snow peas, they can all go straight in, as long with our shiitake mushrooms, and it's pretty much time now to start finishing off this dish. This dish will take you no longer than 10, maybe 12 minutes to cook. Alright, we've got some XO sauce here. I've bought that from my local Asian grocery. I'm going to add in probably about 4 tablespoons worth into there. You can make your own XO sauce. If you want to spend the money and the time doing it, by all means do it. About 2 to 3 tablespoons worth of oyster sauce, that can go straight in. And all we have to do with this XO sauce is basically just cook it through, and it sort of looks after itself. Once we get some heat happening and everything else, we want to try and keep this really nice, light and fresh. Right, give that a little bit of a stir through. Now Mrs. KP is getting some egg noodles ready for me. She's putting those over the top, as you can see. We're going to give all of that a quick toss, and those noodles will soak up some of those oils and sauces very quickly. And I want a little bit more of extra sauce, so I've got about sort of half a cup's worth of chicken stock with a teaspoon's worth of cornstarch in there, and that's just going to make a very quick light sauce to go along with this particular dish. And if you haven't had XO sauce before, it's a great thing to keep in the fridge. You can use it in so many different ways. Alright, we're just going to give all of that a bit of a stir through, and I think we're getting pretty much ready to serve this one up. It's that quick and that easy. And there you go, KP's prawns and XO sauce. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It's got the most amazing flavours to it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a great restaurant quality Asian dish just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After I eat my prawns and XO sauce, and I will catch you next time. Bye.